Hello everyone. So I am back with another video. This video is about packaging orders. I did get some DMs about how to package my orders. So if this is the video that you've been waiting for, here we go. Now, I do want to say that today is my day off. Now, I do want to say that today is my day off. So normally what I do is I will get orders all morning. It just depends. Some days are slow, some days are not, but I will get all orders. I will package them, and then at a set time during the day, probably around 2 or 3, I will send them all out at the post office. If I get any orders after 2, if I'm not busy, then I will send them out that day. If I am, then I will package them and have them sent out the next day, and that is on my website. That does tell you about the shipping. If it's before 2, it will be shipped out that same day. So I was coming in today and I was just about to go to bed and put my pajamas on and wash my face and everything, brush my teeth, when I seen that I got an order. So I said, why not record it and show you guys how I package my orders? Okay, so if this is something that you are interested in watching, stay tuned.
So I have the ivory sweater and the extra mask in gold that they ordered. I also have, this is the poly mailer that I put the clothes in, just depending on how many orders of clothing that they get. I have bigger poly mailers, but for this one, they just ordered the ivory shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in the bag. Normally, I already have them packaged and I have them with stickers on it to tell me the size so I can just go ahead and pick it. But I went ahead and got a fresh shirt and folded it. As you see, I'm having issues trying to get it in the poly mailer. So I did that for the video purposes. So once I go ahead and stuff it in there, trust me, it's going to get in there. Guys, let me tell you, it is like midnight or like 11:30 or midnight at this time. So I'm a little tired. So here we go. It's finally in there. When I get it in the bag, I always take the tag, the Damarie Collections tag, and I try to face it to the front. So when they open their package, that is something that they see. That is a marketing strategy that I use. I have the thank you card and the business card. Once again, I made those on Canva, as I said in the first video. So I go ahead and I put that in there with the ivory sweater. And I tried to take the tag and put it on the top as well. I'm just fumbling with everything, trying to make it as perfect as I can. And then I go ahead and I squeeze the air out and push it in a little bit because I'm going to have to pull off the adhesive little tape so I can tape the package or the poly mailer down. So that's the strip I was talking about. Went ahead and pull that off. Then I go ahead and fold it over. And once I have that, I will kind of like squeeze the air out. So I have the extra mask that I'm going to put on top. And I also have the slip. I always print off a slip of what they purchased. That's why I covered it so you couldn't see their address or anything like that. And this is one of the poly mailer bags that I use to ship out. It says hello and what you've been waiting for. I thought that was so cute when you send orders out. And my customers get it because they've been waiting for it. It also does depend how many pieces they order. Because it was just these two, I put it in this little poly mailer. I do have bigger ones. I go ahead and put that in. Make sure that most of the air is out. Then I will take the adhesive also off of that silver piece right there. That is the adhesive, the strip. So then I can go ahead and fold it over. And once again, I'm squeezing out the air as well. And then I go ahead and I take my stickers. I got those from Avery. I go ahead and put that on the top position it the way I want to. So when they do get it in the mail, it has the Diamond Collection Love Yourself sticker on it. Right now, I do not have personal poly mailers. That is something that I will, look forward to down the line. But right now, just a regular poly mailer from Amazon. Put your little sticker on it. Child, it works. Okay. Then that is my scale. Because what's going to happen is you have to weigh your package to know how much it is. So then you can put it in the computer and you can print off your label, your mailing label. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. So I am weighing that. And that's telling me that's about 11 ounces, I do believe. And so I'm going to go and put that into the system. I'm not going to show you guys. I just don't want no personal information to come up. And then I will come back and show you how I print it off of my Rolo. This right here is my Rolo. This is my lifesaver. I love this thing. Before we go any further, let me explain to you what the Rolo is. The Rolo is the thermal printer. So once you purchase it, you do not have to buy ink. You only have to buy the labels that come with it. When I was looking for a thermal printer for my business, I kept seeing on YouTube about how Dymo was a really good thermal printer. So when I went on Amazon to order it, I was looking at the reviews, and the reviews were not all that great. And then they preferred me to a Rolo. So I went ahead and I got the Rolo instead. So now you are going to see the Rolo printing off the mailing label. It's going to come out nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tear it off. I'm going to peel the back off of the adhesive. I'm going to separate it and I'm going to put the mailing label on the package. Once I put that on the package, then I have completed that one order, and I'm going to go ahead and take that to the post office tomorrow morning. Normally I have the packages sit on the desk until tomorrow, and then it is off to the customer. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can get notified of the new videos I have coming out.